Hey kiddos, today we're going to talk about ratio tables. And I have a ratio table here right in front of me. A ratio table gives you two columns of numbers. One is smaller than the other one. And you have to figure out the rule to get the missing numbers. So when I look at my ratio table here, if I have 1, then I end up with 12. So I know that ratio tables are used for multiplication. Okay, so and I know my facts that 1 times 12 equals 12. So everything in this column I have to multiply by 12. And in this column it's the opposite. So I have to divide by 12. So you have a multiplication chart to use on this page. Watch as I go through this. So I already know that 1 times 12 is 12. So now I have to multiply 2 times 12. And if I don't know what that is, I'm going to get my multiplication chart and I'm going to go to 2 and 12. Oh, okay, I know. It's 24 because here's my 2, here's my 12. I bring them together, 24. So I'm going to fill in 24. Now this time I know the big number and I don't know the little number. So I have to think what number, if I divide by 12, is going to give me 30, if I divide 36 by 12, what number do I get? So I'm going to pull up my multiplication chart. I'm going to go down my 12 column till I get to 36. Oh, there it is. Okay, 36. Hard to see, sorry. Then I'm going to go across so I know what number it is. Oh, it's 3. All right, so then I know that 3 goes in this box. And I can check it by saying, okay, 3 times 12. Let's double check. Here's my 3. Here's the 12. I bring them together. Yep, 36. I am right. Oh, well, I have a small number. That means I have to multiply 8 times 12. Okay, so we're going to go on here because I don't know what 8 times 12 is. So I go over here. 8. I know 12 is the very last column. So I'm going to go across the 8 row until I get to the end. And I know that is 8 times 12 is 96. So I'm going to write that in my chart. Oh, in the right spot. Now I have this one. I have a big number and I need to get the small number, which means I'm going to divide. So I'm going to go back to my chart. I'm going down the 12 column until I get to 108. Then I'm going to go across and I see that I get 9. That is the number that goes here. And again, to check it, I'm going to say 9 times 12. Let's check that. 9 going across till I get to the last column. Oh, 108. Yep. All right, last problem. 10. Well, I have to do 10 times 12. I know that when I multiply by 10, I have to add a placeholder. So I know it's going to be 120. Or I can check on here, 10, I'm going to go across till I get to 12, 120. All right, so you have a multiplication chart and you have an example on the next page, and then you have 2 ratio tables to fill in.